Water and our oceans are essential to life as we know it. Every time we wash our clothes, up to 700,000 microfibers can make their way into the ocean. These fibers are often microplastics, which poison the phytoplankton, which are vital to the production of oxygen in our oceans. And we're incredibly proud and excited to give you the opportunity to back our solution, Gulp. It eats microplastics so you don't have to. Our patented technology enables the world's first self-cleaning microfiber filter that fits any washing machine model, compatible with both liquid and powdered detergents. And Gulp is also super simple and quick to install, fitting neatly into your home. There are no replacement filters to buy. Simply empty the cup after 20 washes when the indicator reminds you.
For more such videos on innovative products, subscribe to our channel Big Boys Toys Global. Check the description for product information.